Protecting young fruit trees and delicate garden plants from pests is not always easy. Birds, slugs, and snails can quickly damage new leaves, flowers, and small fruits. Many gardeners prefer simple, low-cost ideas instead of chemical sprays. One surprising helper for this job is something almost everyone already has at home: aluminum foil. With a little creativity, it can be used in more than one way to protect your plants. One useful method is to keep birds away from young fruit trees. Birds often pick at soft leaves and developing fruits. This can slow down growth and reduce the harvest. To make a simple bird deterrent, take a sheet of aluminum foil and fold it a few times. Folding it makes the foil stronger, so it does not tear easily in wind or rain. Next, make a small hole in one corner using a toothpick, pin, or similar object. Pass a string or thin rope through the hole and tie it well. Hang this piece of foil on a branch of the tree or nearby support so it can move freely. When the wind blows, the foil spins and shakes. As it moves, it reflects sunlight in many directions. These quick flashes of light are confusing and uncomfortable for birds. They do not like sudden bright reflections or moving objects, so they often stay away from the tree. Over time, this helps protect the leaves and fruits without any chemicals or noise. This method is simple, cheap, and easy to replace. If the foil gets damaged or worn out, you can quickly make a new one in a few minutes. It is also safe for the environment and does not harm the plant. The second method is useful for stopping pests that crawl on the ground, especially slugs and snails. These pests usually come out at night and slowly move up plant stems to feed on fresh leaves. Even a small group of them can cause serious damage in a short time. To stop them, wrap aluminum foil around the lower part of the plant stem. Start near the soil and cover a short section going upward. Make sure it is wrapped tightly enough to stay in place, but not so tight that it harms the plant. This simple wrap works in two main ways. First, the shiny surface reflects light around the plant. This can help make the area less attractive for some pests. Second, and more important, it creates a physical barrier that is hard for slugs and snails to cross.